Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have an issue, and these kind of issues suck. But there's the case halves, there's the heads, turbo, all the goods. Everything is on the table, but we are about to split the case halves. These I'm not worried about. This is the plate that goes to the rear end of the motor piston to pull the snap ring to, obviously disconnect the connecting rod from the piston. This guy is the other plate to disconnect the piston from the rod. I got this guy loose, and that one loose. That leaves us with this one, and this one. And they're stripped out. So we need to figure out how we are going to unstrip those to be able to get this plate off. I already tried the world's best tool company, Icon, and they're both extracting tools, and that didn't work. So we need to either drill these out and try a bigger one to see if we can get a little bite on one, or who knows, however else we're going to get these out. But we need to try and get that plate off so that we can get these pistons disconnected from the rods on the rear end, because the front end is super easy. I already got the bolts and the plugs undone for that. Just have to release the snap rings, pull the wrist pins, and it's game on. But the rear is the problem. Those are going to be easy. I have the impact driver set for that, but the bolts or the Allen key head ones are going to be a pain in the butt, so let's try and do that. Here goes nothing. This is a 5mm bolt extractor. See if we can get that lodged in there. Just enough. Obviously, we're gonna have to buy new bolts for this, but that can be a tomorrow issue. We need to see if we can get all of these out, and I did get 2 of them out, so I only have 1 more. Just goes to show you that broken bolts are going to slow down a project, but should not stop it. Just like that. But now, I need to buy more of these. But look at that. That's painful. That took me probably like 45 minutes to get that one out, and now we can get this cover off. Absolutely crazy. But I guess that's why us car guys spend thousands of dollars on tools, so that we can ruin our evenings. Let's get this guy off. So we just have to take this cover off. That is a pretty big Allen key. I just use a T70 Torx bit, and it comes off pretty easily. But this is what it looks like currently, and you got to get that snap ring off, and then pull that wrist pin out, and that'll disconnect the connecting rod from the piston. You got to do the same on that side, and then the 2 on the front of the engine. Alright, let's get this last wrist pin out of here. And go through the block. I found out it is easier to go through the block if you can have room. I am going on a trip here soon. I'll be heading up to Washington, but everything is good here. So we got the heads, case halves, the crank. Everything is good to go. We just need to get all that to the machine shop tomorrow. And you take a look, all these bearings look pretty good. They have a little bit of scoring in them. I mean, to be expected. It has 120,000 miles on it. So you get this guy to the machine shop, rebuilt. We have some big things coming for the rotating assembly in this car, and one of those guys coming as well. So there's a lot of big things coming. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate every single one of you. And I think I'm going to wrap it up right here. Got to get this to the machine shop tomorrow before I head on my trip. And we'll be back in business here very shortly. So I appreciate every single one of you sticking around. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.